Welcome to Bike News, your trusted source for the latest in two-wheel innovation. Today, we bring you an in-depth look at the 2025 Yamaha XMAX 300, a premium maxi scooter designed for riders who demand a perfect blend of performance, comfort, and advanced technology. Yamaha continues to push the limits of urban mobility, and the new XMAX 300 proves why it remains a leader in its segment. Design and styling. The 2025 XMAX 300 showcases a refined, sporty design with sharper lines and a more aggressive stance. Its aerodynamic front fairing, full LED lighting, and updated windscreen not only enhance style but also improve rider comfort at higher speeds. The scooter comes in elegant new color options and premium finishes that give it a modern, premium appeal. Engine and performance. Under the sleek bodywork lies a liquid-cooled, 292 cubic centimeters, single-cylinder, Euro 5 compliant engine delivering smooth yet responsive power. Producing around 28 horsepower, the XMAX 300 offers effortless acceleration for both city commuting and highway cruising. Its V-belt automatic transmission ensures hassle-free rides, while the efficient fuel injection system delivers impressive mileage without sacrificing performance. Features and technology. The 2025 model introduces advanced rider-focused tech, including a new 4.2-inch TFT display with smartphone connectivity for navigation, calls, and notifications. Yamaha's traction control system, ABS-equipped disc brakes, and smart key system enhance safety and convenience. The spacious underseat storage accommodates two full-face helmets, making it a practical choice for daily use. Comfort and ride quality. The XMAX 300's upright riding position, plush dual seat, and adjustable windscreen provide exceptional comfort for long journeys. Its telescopic front forks and twin rear shocks offer a stable, smooth ride over varied road conditions, ensuring a premium maxi scooter experience. Conclusion. With its perfect mix of style, performance, and technology, the 2025 Yamaha XMAX 300 continues to set the benchmark in the premium scooter category. Whether for daily commuting or weekend getaways, it promises to deliver a refined and enjoyable ride every time. If you want, I can also create a clickbait YouTube title, trending description, and hashtag package for this same bike, so your video gets more views.